Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. We're going to start a new Power BI batch on October 2nd, morning 8 o'clock Indian Standard Timing. If you wanted to attend this meeting, I'm going to be, in the description, I'm going to be, keeping the meeting ID. You just, check the meeting ID and you should be able to connect October 2nd coming Saturday, morning 8 o'clock, we're going to be having Power BI. So you will have October 2nd and October 3rd, 2 days we'll have the, Power BI demo. Please attend this. Any non-IT people who wanted to come into the IT industry with less coding and high salaries. If you wanted to get into IT industry, this is the better opportunity. You will be able to easily grab and get into the IT industry, guys. Okay. The meeting ID I'll be, putting into the YouTube description link. Please, see the link below and you should be able to connect, you know, using a phone or using your laptop. So October 2nd, morning 8 a.m. AST. So that is a Saturday. And Sunday also will be having with the same meeting ID. And you please, subscribe my channel and you should be able to connect with the Power BI demo, which is going to happen on this, the coming Saturday. If you, don't attend this, the next batch will be on month of November. Every month we're going to be starting only one Power BI class. If you miss this opportunity, the next batch will be in again November 1st or 2nd. So don't lose this opportunity and you please attend so that you can understand lot of other things within 2 to 3 months time. You should be able to easily get into the IT industry with our big support and good guidance, and from very very basic level to advanced level of teaching will be there. Completely real time topics are going to be covered, so you enjoy the learning even though you're coming from the non IT background. These are our WhatsApp numbers, so if you wanted to attend or if you need, the meeting ID to be delivered in your WhatsApp number, please, send me your full name with surname, your city, email ID, WhatsApp phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, and send your details to 93981 18506. This is my number. And or you can also save this number as part of your, phone contact, so that whenever we broadcast it, you should be able to get the messages. Okay. If you need any information from us, please save this number as part of your phone contact, saying that Go Online Trainings contact details. And you also, send me your details so that we will be able to give you the recorded videos and any other info to your, WhatsApp. So send these details if you wanted to, receive any special invitations from my team. So this is what is the, the meeting ID. This meeting ID I'm going to be sharing as part of your YouTube, description link. You can also get the meeting link. Please click on the link and connect using phone or connect using mobile or laptop. So it will be 45 days and daily morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. we're going to be having the classes, and online we don't have any offline classes. We don't have any classroom classes, and I'll be the faculty. My name is Bhaskar Jogi. So anyone can learn this course. Hot skill into in the IT industry, high salaries, minimum. If you have 3 years of gap, you will be able to get a 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs of package in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore locations, and no coding is required. 45 hours of Power BI classes are going to be conducted. Daily recorded videos are going to be posted to your email, and real-time topics are going to be covered. CV, and if you need any other support, job placements or any other support, we're going to be giving. So no worries about the placements and other stuff. Clear? So talk to us or simply send your details to this mail ID, or you can just ping us on this, in this, so that my team can send you the meeting request. So you should be able to attend the Power BI demo on October 2nd, morning 8 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Timings. Am I clear? So now, who can attend this? Anybody can attend. So, sample CVs are provided. So lab support is given. Interview questions are going to be discussed. But along with, Power BI, you should also know SQL and MSBA and data warehousing concepts. Clear? So these also will get covered as part of, our training. But remember that. So what are the, training programs, you must attend to complete Power BI? And who can learn this course means any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed out, 2002 passed out, 2010 passed out, 2011 passed out, BCom, BBA, MBA, B Pharmacy, MCA, BCA, any graduate can attend these classes, diploma, BTech, all branches, including civil, mechanical, this one, that one. If you have 10 years of gap or 15 years of gap, doesn't matter. But if you wanted to come into the IT industry, this is the right time. So all teachers, sales professionals, housewives, okay. So all these people are, can come and they should be able to easily get into the IT industry. But what are the courses you have to learn? Not only Power BI. So Power BI needs, few more courses. SQL you should know, MS BI you should know, data warehousing also you should know, plus Power BI also you have to learn. So anybody, you can, if you want to come into the IT industry, you should be able to get into IT industry. Minimum 70,000 rupees per month to 1 lakh. Minimum 70,000 rupees to 1 lakh salary per month. You should be able to get it, even though you are a BCom 2000, 5 passed out or MBA 2010 passed out. You don't have prior experience in the IT industry. No worries. Power BI will give you lot of opportunities. But important thing is that you have to learn not only Power BI, you have to learn SQL Server, but also MSBA, SSIS you have to learn. So Power BI is going to be covering Power BI with a DAX 45 days. So this course includes SSIS tabular model cube and data warehousing concept. So this is the, this is the one it is going to be covered, okay, as part of this course. And okay, so for SQL Server and MSBA, you have to join them separately. So this is first course, this is second course, and this is the third course. So this will take 45 days, and this is also going to take 45 days. So these three are going to be happening in October and November month. Okay. So 2 months you need to, go in for these, two classes parallelly. Parallelly, you need to attend. Clear? So then third month, it will take 1 month. So October, November, December month, we're going to be planning for this. Okay. December month, we're going to be planning for this. And SQL Server is very, very important. So if you say I have a basic knowledge of SQL Server, is it enough? It is not enough. You need to start SQL Server, Power BI, and MSB, all of them. But remember, these, next 2 months, October and November, we're going to be planning for these two first. And next month, we're going to be having MSB. So, first 2 months, you will be planning these two courses. Okay. So, October and November. Okay, October and November. So these 2 months we're going to be completing SQL Server and Power BI with tabular model cube and data warehousing. And in the month of December, we're going to be covering this. Clear? So October, November, December gets over, then you are ready in Jan 2022 to get into the IT industry. I will give you, about how to create a CV. I'll give you sample CVs. I will prepare a CV for you, and I'll tell you how to keep the project, how to explain the project, and we'll also cover one project as part of our class. So you need to have proper learning. So don't, learn Power BI only without learning SQL Server and MSBA. You don't get into IT industry. You will get into a lot of issues. If somebody says learn only Power BI means they're simply cheating you and they need your money. So don't go into that kind of a dilemmas, guys. And I have almost 21 years of experience. I trained thousands of people in the IT industry, and don't go into the the brokers and agents. So definitely you will lose your money and you lose your confidence. Okay. So anybody can attend. So these are the things we're going to be covering as part of our course. Power BI means only Power BI with DAX means it is 45 days, but only Power BI is not sufficient. You need to go in for SQL Server, and later you have to go in for MSBI. So first we're going to be starting these two courses from October 2nd. So these two courses we're going to be starting in the month of October and November. After that, we can plan for this in month of December. Okay, so this is my plan. And in the month of Jan 2022, you should be able to easily, get a job and no worries at all. So for more details, connect with me on this Saturday. So we will be able to, discuss lot of, clarifications if you have. And we are going to be having a live session, so you can also ask a lot of questions, and you should be able to easily interact with me on that day. So we'll catch up. So the meeting link I'm going to be putting into the description link of the YouTube video. Please subscribe my channel and forward it to your friends, and get set and ready for this demo. Definitely I'm going to be changing your life. Okay, so that is for sure. Thank you so much, guys.